It's carnival season. I finally got my costume bag package from Fantasy Tribe for my carnival experience in Dominica, and I'm going to show you what is in my bag. At the end of this video, let me know, do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's a little or too much? Let me know in the comments. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Clementine Fana, but you can call me Dr. Clem, and I travel the world showing people how they can do it better, and I also showcase the culture of the places where I am going. So I'm currently in Dominica, where I'm going to be playing mass or doing carnival with Fantacy Tribe, which is one of Dominica's best carnival bands, and I'm going to show you throughout the next few videos that I'm going to be releasing what my Fantacy Tribe experience is like. So here is my duffel bag with my costume. I picked up this bag 4 days before carnival. So carnival is on Tuesday. I picked this bag up on Friday, and I will tell you the experience was seamless. Everything was organized. You know, all the bags were labeled. Like, look at that, like they have labels with your name. So this is my label and this is my name, and they have like the size. So everything was like really organized, very streamlined. I didn't even spend like 10 minutes at the band house for me to pick up my bag. Okay, I spent a little more. I spent more than that because I was recording content, but you know, in terms of like getting your package and so forth, it was amazing, and I just commend them for this streamlined experience. So let's get into the bag. Let's get in the bag. What's in the bag? First thing first, elements of my costume. I'm not going to show you the back piece because it obviously is not in the bag. You're going to see it when I wear it. But this is my leg pieces, so my costume here. This is my arm piece here. This is my neck piece here. I'm going to do a try on haul tonight, but I'm not going to show you. I want to reveal this to you on the road on Tuesday. So bear with me, and I think you're gonna love it. So I have the pieces for the costume, right? But the most important one is the monokini. So this is gonna be like you know, what I'm actually wearing beyond the accessories. Now inside the bag, I also have everything else that I need to be able to have the fantasy experience. So with Fantasy Tribe, one of the things that I love is the fact that you actually pay. I paid one registration fee for the band, and I have access to 6 different experiences, like literally 6 different parties. And so these are the packages that I would need for the upcoming parties, and I'm going to show you what is in there. This is for Lumination Juve, which is Juve, and this is for Luminite, which is what happens in the afternoon after Juve. So this is what I'm going to be wearing on Monday morning from 3 a.m. to 10 a.m. and this is what I'm going to be wearing on Monday morning from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, let's see what's inside. So first, for illumination, I have my monokini. Y'all, I love these monokinis. They do me right. And I will say, whenever you choose costumes, just pick whatever works best for you, whatever is like your comfort zone, right? So I have my monokini here. I have a bottle sponsored by D-Thread. Thank you, D-Thread. Going further for less. This bottle is going to get all my waters, all my spirits. And I have like the little armband here. I also have, oh my god, this is so cute. I love this. This is like a case to protect my phone if in case it rains, right? And I can actually see myself using this on my adventures when I travel like around the world, you know. So I can put my phone here or my equipment here, and then it actually keeps it protects it from the rain. So I'm really excited, and it's very important because generally during carnival, like it tends to rain while we're parading, it tends to rain. And then I'm also going to show you, this is a face mask. They were telling me that this is a ski mask, so I was kind of like joking inside in my head, like, okay, can I actually wear this to go skiing? Because I actually learned how to ski. Like, I took a ski lesson earlier this winter, and I'm like so excited. So, but you can't wear this to go. I mean, I can maybe wear this for fashion, right? But like, I would need a warmer layer for sure to ski. But I like this. This is gonna protect me from like the powder. Like if I want to cover my hair and cover my face and stuff, it's gonna protect me for that. Now I want to show you what I'm gonna be wearing on Monday afternoon. That is for Luminite. The branded color is orange, and we are loving it. So first, okay, this is coming out first, so I'm gonna show this first. This is so cute. Oh my god, it's a branded color. It's a branded bottle that to take all the spirits in there. So because it's illumination, right? Illumination means light and everything, so they have it shaped like a light bubble, and I am obsessed. This is so gorgeous. So Luminite signal band, the threads, absolutely love it. And I have the armband here. I can't wait to drink things in this bottle. And I have my Luminite shirt here. Luminite shirt here. It's size medium for me. It's a regular t-shirt. So generally what people do is that during carnival they accessorize their t-shirt. Like you can cut your shirt however you want. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of art and craft here. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, what it's gonna turn out, and I hope it just doesn't end up like sucking, because if it does, I don't have another shirt. But I think I want to cut it and like design it a little bit. So yeah, this is the shirt for Monday. Now I want to show you a few accessories that we have as part of this experience. First, the shot glass. The theme for Fantasy Tribe this year is what is the theme again? Samba, Rio de Janeiro, Rosa de Janeiro. But the theme for Fantasy Tribe this year is Rosa de Janeiro, so it kind of like emulates Rio de Janeiro, which is, you know, Brazil's carnival city capital. So they gave us like shot glasses that are branded like that, like Samba. And I really like that, you know, just for the sake of it. I'm probably gonna take a shot on the road. On top of that, I got a pair of shades. I actually got to choose which shades I wanted. Fantasy partnered with Opti Shop here in Dominica to provide us shades, because you know, when you're on the road in the day, when the sun starts to shine, listen, you need to protect your eyes. This is like real advice, right? So I went into the Opti Shop. I had like a small coupon, and everybody gets one, and then I could pick whatever shade I wanted. So this shade doesn't match my costume, but guess what? It matches my vibe, and I love it. So I'm gonna be working these pink shades as part of this carnival experience, not with my costume, but I think I'm actually gonna be wearing it more in my other travel with Clem adventures. So I'm really excited about this. In addition to that, I have my fan, my hand fan. Look at that. Gotta keep that makeup fresh. Gotta keep it fresh, keep it dry, keep it nice. You see? Fantasy got me. Power bank. Every influencer needs your power bank, and I kid you not, as a travel content creator and influencer, I never have enough storage, I never have enough energy, and I never have enough energy for my phone. So when I saw this in the package, I was like, whoa, y'all get me. And that's what I mean by, like, there's so much intentionality behind every single piece of item that is included in this bag, that I feel like, yeah, they got it. They understood, like, the assignment was understood and delivered on time. I love this. I love this power bank, and I can't wait to use it, not just in the band but beyond. You know, this is what's gonna keep my phone and my electronics juicy. I want to show you the ring light. Oh my god, the selfie ring light is big. Even if you're not an influencer, having a ring light when you're taking photos at night, you know, is really helpful, because it just kind of like brings light and it gives you better quality photos. So for me though, it's really important to have my ring light, and I'm like, yeah, I'm so excited. I was so excited when I saw this. I'm like, yeah, fantasy. Take a look at this tumbler. Oh my god, obsessed. Damn, this is so good. So I love these tumblers because they are thermal, so whatever you put in there, whether it's cold or warm, it's going to keep the temperature. And I usually like have coffee or tea in the morning, and so I went like on my way to work, and so this is going to be like so useful for me to have that. But here for the band, it's going to keep my drinks cold. So I'm really excited that like like the branding and everything is just cute. I got the black one, which means it's going to go with everything. So I don't know, I just love it. I like, oh my god. So yeah, this concludes our haul of what's in the bag with Fantasy Tribe. Let me know what you think. Do you think that this is enough? Do you think that this is a little? What do you think? And if you're in a carnival band, what did you get in your bag? This is one of the reasons why I am, and so far I've been so pleased with the Fantasy Tribe experience. If you want to see more of this carnival content and what my band experience is like, so you can make better informed decision where you come and play mass with us in the nature isle, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications, because I'll be sharing more content about this carnival. But before you go, let me know in the comments, what do you think of what's in the bag with Fantasy Tribe? I'd love to know.